Hola, ¿qué tal? Esa es la reina. En esta ocasión vamos a continuar con los ejercicios del teorema de error. Voy a hacer este video multilingüe, inglés y español. Solamente vamos a hacer un solo ejercicio, o quizás dos, honestamente, porque son bien sencillos, ¿bien? Disculpen que la otra vez yo tuve que prácticamente no terminé los ejercicios porque yo soy adventista, entonces era sábado y yo decidí simplemente no hacer el video porque era sábado, pero ya estamos de vuelta. Y bueno, como dicen por ahí, a César lo de César y a Dios lo de Dios. Entonces, vamos a pegar aquí. Y vamos a poner la otra fórmula que vamos a resolver. Por cierto, pueden poner eso en paréntesis o sin paréntesis. Ok, eso no es la gran cosa, porque a la larga eso se multiplica. Bien. If you want to know what we're going to do, is just to solve this exercise on the theorem of rolle. And what we're going to do is to try to make it possible through the formula which is corresponding to each one of these exercises. These exercises are already solved by me on the university. I did them, and if you want to know about it, you just have to pay attention to what I'm doing. By the way, I am not like in the mind from the movie, which is a movie that I kind of like, but it's just another trap from the devil, which I don't like, because I am not him, and you are not him neither. Each person is differently, okay? Okay, let's go here, and let's place this thing here to the solution, okay? We can even put a title solution, and we start F1. You would say, why 1? Well, it's actually minor 1, okay? Then minor 1 is equal, F minor 1 is equal to minor 1 elevated by 2 plus, or no, it's not plus, it is minor 3 and in this case minor 1 plus 2. Why a 2? Well, because it is on here. We're just changing the parameters, okay? F minor 1 is equal to minor 1 elevated by 2. That is equal to 2, and it's equal to positive because negative by negative is positive, and then minor 3 by 1 is equal to minor 3 because you have to put the major sign on here, and but actually this is a positive because it is minor by minor plus 2. And let's see, F minor 1 is equal to 2 plus 3. Let's check something because I think that I am missing something. 1 minor minor by minor is positive, but in this case this one was positive, the other one was negative. Why this is negative? Because this is the tick here. Let's put this in parentheses for you to understand. Minor by minor is positive, but the thing is that this one is major than this one, and we're going to have a summarizing here, and as we will have a summarizing, this is like 2 plus 2 minus 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now, that's not the solution. Being honest, I don't know why it is different to my solution here. Let me check it, and well, I know why it is different. It is because I changed the 3x on my solution on the notebook for a 2, and that is not that was bad. I mean, that was bad. So the nice thing is that they didn't correct me that. Let's check this again just to make sure. Okay. Remember that this is practical, and also I want you to do it on the right way. 1 exponentially to 2 is just 1 by 1, which is 1. Okay? And 3 by 1 is equal to 3 positive. So this is 3 positive. And plus 2, sorry. And now 1, why is this positive? Because this was exponentially to 2. And 1 by 1 it is 1. And 3 by 1 is 3 plus 2, and we have 3 plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 2, which is equal to 6. Let's put this right down here. And now it's clear. And that's the solution. Now you will be asking, but Colonel, is that actually the solution? Yes, it is. Even though it seems very simple, it is. What we're going to do now is the solution, but with the 2 arguments, okay? What we're going to change is just to erase everything here. Sorry. Let's erase this down here. Let's go down with the 2, right? We change the minor 1 to 2. And that's everything. Now let's put f is equal to 2 equal to, and 2 exponentially to 2 is equal to 4, because 2 by 2 is 4, and 3 by 2, even though it's negative, now it's positive because they are different signs, and the 3 is major than the 2. So it is 3 by 2 is 6 positive, and plus 2. Now f2, wait, let's erase this one. f2 is equal to 4 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to, if we take it, for example, 10, 12. And that's it. Because 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. And this is the theorem solution of these 2 points. And remember that if we put that on a Cartesian quadrant, I don't like much the name, we will be able to see it. And remember that the theorem of flow is to see the movement on continuity. So it will be like this. Y and X. Now what we have to do is just to interchange one on the left side, which is this one, and one another on the right side, which is this one. And these 2 points are just as simple as 6 minus 6. We already know why it is minus 6, because the x here is negative, so the solution is also negative. But this is just a representation, okay? And as it is negative, it can stay like this, just close to the 0. I don't need to put the whole line and to write it down, because it is negative. You understand that it's something that is going to the negative side, okay?